Hey, and welcome to another video from DD Aero Photography. We're at the entrance of the village of Oak Hollow. Over there is the Corbin Trail. I got the very reliable Toyota Tundra right there waiting on me. I know a lot of people have commented on these water retention ponds here, how high they are down south. My opinion is they got them full, so they look nice for the buyers down here to buy new homes. And everybody says, well, they're low up north because people are using the water. Well, send the water up north for the people to use. Or they're making this pond nice to look at for the people who want to buy houses down here. It's my opinion, and it might be true. I don't know if you can see the Marine helicopter up there. We can't fly until he gets out of this area. As soon as he gets out of here, we'll get up in the air and we're going to get it on. All right, I do have an app that does show all the airplanes and helicopters in the vicinity so that I am able to get up in the air and fly safely. All right, you can see here on the right hand side the villas that they have gotten completed. You can see that the construction workers are working on a house down here. They're raising the walls or lowering them, however you want to put it. For every 5 minutes they can put one concrete section up at a time. So you can see some more villas being built down through here. They're not as far along as the last ones. You have some slabs that were just poured down through here. These all wood houses that are being built down through here. You can see that they're under roof. Over on the left hand side of Corbin Trail, you can see that they have graded some lots on the left hand side and that they are ready to be surveyed, so they are able to show where the houses can be built at. You have another retention pond on the left. You can see that it is quite full. And we're stopping here at Craig Court and Corbin Trail. The little shack on the right is for the rental golf carts. The golf course that we're passing on the left is the Woodlands Championship Golf Course, and you can see that the grass has grown in quite nicely. The fairways, the roughs, the sand traps, they've done a good job. Watch out for that tree. They have done a good job in making this golf course look really nice. You let these trees go down through here through one growing season. They'll full in and they'll be really nice next year. Another retention pond on the right, nice and full. Like I said, when y'all go up north, check out how low those retention ponds are. There's a food truck on the very left hand side of the screen. It's a very nice food truck. There's some good food in there. They are working on the Olympia Rec Center sign, and here's a photo of it. You can see the softball fields are coming in nicely. Look at that grass. Look at that grass. At the circle, that is Bexley Trail. And look at all the construction going on at the other side of Bexley Trail. Please like, share, subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy of mine. Thank you.